Maximizing the potentials of artificial intelligence in business management. By now, you might be convinced of the exceptional benefits of artificial intelligence in any kind of business. Ready to take your business to the next level? Here are 3 ways you can easily integrate AI-generated systems, artificial intelligence in online marketing, automated customer care services, content production and recommendation, customer feedback analysis, customization of news feeds, optimization of advertisements, visual and language recognition, artificial intelligence in managing your business, automated business processes, automated feedback for data-driven businesses, automatic responses on chat and email support, categorization of emails, filtering spam messages, forecasting of future sales and market trends, smart devices adapting to human behavior, surveillance of physical stores and offices, usage of smart personal assistants like Google Now, Siri, and Cortana, artificial intelligence in online selling, purchase predictions and product recommendations, detection and prevention of fraud in online transactions, price optimization, getting started with online AI platforms. If you're a newbie on the AI industry and want to test the waters first, why don't you try online AI platforms like Onpassive founders? These platforms offer access to ad credits and automated marketing services, which can make your business managing tasks a breeze in the long run. Article written by Bill Must, a founder member.